Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome back to the Happy Hut. How do you check your own Spotify Wrapped? The new thing we're trying today is where can you see Spotify Wrapped and where can I find my top artists on Spotify? You probably know this already, but Spotify Wrapped is a review of the year of our top artists inside Spotify. It tracks our listening through the year by genre, artist, album and song. If you're watching this outside of December, it might not be available, but I'll also show you how to find your top artists for the year, for any year. Let's put my phone on screen now. Slight disclaimer. This is my daughter's login, and I think you'll guess which songs might be mine. I think Grandad even uses this login. But anyway, usually you can find Wrapped as a button or banner on the homepage of the Spotify app. But if it's not there on your phone, or you want to see it on a PC, desktop, laptop, MacBook or iPad, all we need to do is open our browser. That's Chrome if you're on an Android phone, or Safari on an iPhone, iPad or Mac. Then type in this address, spotify.com/US/wrapped. This takes us to the Spotify Wrapped page. We'll tap login and sign into the same account as the app. This plays the Spotify Wrapped slideshow. I'll show you how to share this on Instagram or look up your top artists in a moment. There's the genre sandwich, and this shows us our genre preferences as a sandwich. I think the soft rock might be mine, or Grandad's. There's a Sound Town, which is a real life city where Spotify users listen to similar music to you. Doesn't that make it a sound city? I don't know. The total number of songs and your most listened to song of the year. Your top 5 songs of the year, and a link to your top songs playlist, which we can save in our playlists by clicking this button on the bottom here. Our total listening time in minutes and days, including where you rank for listening time worldwide, how many artists we listen to, and our most listened to artist of the year. Hey, of course, Olivia Rodrigo. That wasn't me. We can share this though by pressing the button on the bottom. These apps will be different for you. We'll see our top 5 artists over the months as a cool countdown. And we also get this.
Hey guys, it's Olivia. I just want to thank you so much for all of the support and love you've shown me in 2023. I can't wait for all that's to come next year, and I'm so grateful for you. Sending you all my love. Mwah.
My pleasure, Olivia. Then, a me card. This shows our listening habits as a character. And now, here's a summary and a link to share your Spotify Wrapped statistics on Instagram Story, WhatsApp, Snapchat, anywhere, or you can save it to your phone. But how do I find my Spotify Wrapped from other years, or your top songs or top artists? It's really easy. Just go into the Spotify app, click on search, and type in your top songs 2024 or whatever year you like, and there they are. Or you can type in your top artists and you can see it's brought up the Spotify Wrapped for that year. And you can save this playlist by clicking on the plus button here or the 3 dots. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success. Say hi in the comments if this works for you, and thank you for being awesome by hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me out, so thank you. And right here are all my other Spotify tips and tricks.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks! Alright, this is going to be the proper one, bye.